Hey, this is my video bike check. Up front I have some Sunday Triumph parts with Aaron Ross grips. I'm about to put on some of those ODI long necks. There's a Profile 40 stem, Odyssey headset, Sunday morning 2.1 forks with marmoset, Odyssey spokes, and hazard light up front with Mike Aiken tan wall tire. A 20.75 top tube Sunday second wave. Got the veteran saddle, intact seat post, and Mr. Clampy 2. And my drivetrain, I got some 12-bolt cranks with trail mix pedals and a Vermont sprocket and 30 tooth. There's an Odyssey bottom bracket in there somewhere with a KMC chain. Yeah, G Sport ratchet. Odyssey spokes to a hazard light, the Mike Aiken tan wall tire. That's my video bike check. That's my finger.